everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today, for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to mute conversation on Messenger. Now to do that, open the Messenger application first. Once you've done that, you need to tap open that person profile to which you want to mute the conversation to. All you have to do is tap on that person and hold it for a few seconds. After that, you will see this pop out. From the pop out, you tap on the mute notification. So there's a way how you can mute notification. Mute message notification, mute call notification, mute both message and call notification. You can choose your option whether you want to mute message, call, or you can mute the both call and message. I'm gonna go with the both option and then tap on OK. Now the another option is you can choose the time period for how long you want to mute this chat with this particular person. There's the option 15 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hours, 24 hours, and until I change it. If you choose an until I change it, until you change that mute option, you will not be notified any message and call from this person. So I'm going to tap just 15 minutes and then tap on OK. So this is how you can mute conversation on Messenger. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial.